Hi there, Sew Yours family. This is Melissa with Sew Yours. I just wanted to do a quick video to announce all of the brand new items that have just released on our website at sewyours.com. First up, I wanted to share with you a brand new product line. We are calling this our LinerTex water resistant fabrics. I brought in 12 introductory prints for you, most of which were designed by myself personally. LinerTex fabric is recommended for your bag linings. However, you can still sew it up and use it on the exterior of your bags. I have used this one myself in a bag recently, and I gotta tell you, it sews up just beautifully. I love the feel of it. It's a very smooth, soft texture. It's very pliable, and you do not need to interface it, which is a great time savings as well as cost savings to you. We've had our LinerTex on the shelves here in our Dunellen store for the past 2 weeks, and some of our repeat customers have come back to tell us how much they love sewing and working with the LinerTex. In addition to our LinerTex prints, we also have our LinerTex shimmer fabrics. You're going to love these. Just like with the LinerTex prints, these are also water resistant. Water just beads up and rolls right off the surface of the LinerTex. We brought the LinerTex shimmers in 8 different colors. They are made with a little bit of metallic thread, giving it just a subtle amount of shimmer. We've also been getting lots of great feedback on the shimmer collection. Next up, we brought in 9 brand new printed vinyls, and this time we switched things up a little bit and we changed the texture of our printed vinyl. If you shopped with us before, then you are familiar with our pebble texture printed vinyl. Now we have our cracked texture printed vinyl, and the cracked texture has a little bit more smoothness to it. It doesn't cause as much highlight or light bouncing off of the surface of the vinyl, therefore producing a more vivid, clear image on the surface of the vinyl. We've received several requests for some masculine printed vinyl, so I went ahead and designed this one, which is called Grunge Plaid. I think this is going to be great for men's toiletry bags. We also have our best-selling cotton fabric that we have, which is called Threaded Dreams. So I released that not too long ago. We're almost sold out of the cotton fabric, but we now have it in vinyl as well in limited quantities. On the screen, I'm going to try to show you the difference between the cracked texture and the pebble texture. On the left is the cracked texture, and on the right is the pebble texture. It's a little bit hard to capture on camera. Last up, we have our RFID fabric. These are sold in sheets that measure 12 inches by 12 inches, and these are going to be great to add into your wallets or any purses that you have credit card slots in. You can shop all of the new items on our website at sewyours.com. I'll also put a link in the description box below that's going to go directly to the new items. If you missed last week's newsletter, we did put a bunch of zipper tape as well as some new vinyls on clearance, so make sure you check out our clearance sale. We have over 100 items currently on clearance. We need to make room for all of the new stuff that is coming here in 2025. And finally, I wanted to let you know that we do have a brand new sewing pattern in the works. It is currently in testing, and it is set to release 2 weeks from today, so I'm super excited for that. I need to end this video right now so I can start filming the video tutorial for the sewing pattern. I want to thank everyone for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.